Forterra is a building materials manufacturer. Probably most famous amongst our brands are our London Brick brand, which has just celebrated its 140th anniversary. We selected JDE as a consolidation platform to really offer consistency across the business and our various product lines, and really to modernise. We've been relying on outdated technology that was becoming antiquated and hard to support, and though stable, limited our ability to grow as an organisation.
Right at the beginning, we were able to sort out what we needed, what the deliverables would be against what our current workload was.
So we selected Optimum as our training provider and to assist us in change management generally. It seemed really important to us at the early outset that what we wanted was the best in the change management space.
We had fantastic feedback from everybody with the trainers. It was delivered in a really good way. Optimum were very flexible with us, very professional with it, and were very quick to come back and make suggestions for us.
So in selecting Optimum, what we were really looking for was the value add as a service provider, and whilst cost wasn't the principal driver, certainly we were very happy with the return on investment that we received from the training programme delivered.
They were brilliant all the way through, and it was quite sad to see them go really, because they had sort of become part of us and part of all our project and our training.
One of the benefits of the high quality of the training materials is that it allows us to use it again in the induction process for new employees, and to be tailored moving forward as we extend our systems to further areas of the organisation will allow us to update and continue to use these assets. Consistently, we've had good reports from our end user base about the quality of the training materials and the training delivery, and certainly we'll be looking to utilise Optimum again in our future programmes. So from my experience, I wouldn't have any hesitation in recommending Optimum to anybody that was implementing an ERP solution.